Hello teachers, it's James. I am going to introduce a fun game that you can play with your children classes and for your junior high and high school classes. But this is mainly geared for Eikaiwa, not for the traditional schools. But anyway, it's called Watch Out. This is Watch Out regular, I guess number 1, and this is Watch Out level 2. I can't show all the cards to you because it's copyrighted, but I'll show you some of the cards. I'll show you how to play this game. So looking at the first card, this is the regular one. There is a picture with an instruction. Okay, and others have questions on them. So as you can see, it says, touch something red. Okay, so that student must touch something red. Bear with me. And this is a question. What's your favorite color? This is an example, blue. My favorite color is blue. It's blue. Okay. Looking at level 2, which is a little bit more difficult. This one has verbs. Stand up, look down, smile, turn around, sit down. So that student must do these actions. Don't show this card to the student. Just in the beginning, you can show the picture and explain to them these actions. But after you go through these cards, you don't show the pictures. And this set also has English questions. What color are your English teacher's eyes? So, in my case, I'm going to mix them up. But when you first get them, they'll come in a box like this, level 1 and regular. Depending on your class, depending on their level, you don't need to mix the cards. Okay, so this is how to play this game. Let's say there are 4 students. You're going to deal out 7 cards to each of them. Tell them not to look at their cards. Okay, everyone? Don't look at your cards. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, I'm gonna have to borrow here. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's a card that I forgot to talk about. It is +1. So if a child gets this card, that means they get an extra card from me. So I give them 1 more card. The first person to finish their set of cards wins. Let's say that a student doesn't remember how to answer the question or do the action. Well, you tell them the answer, but then you return the card. And you tell them to place that card under their stack. Okay, hopefully they remember the answer. So here's an example. I'm going to start from right to left. Okay, give me 1 card. Okay, so you want them to give you 1 card. You say, give me 1 card. So that child should understand what that means. Ichimai chodai. If they don't know. Yes, good. Okay, so this child has to answer or do the action, and everyone just waits. Okay, so here is the question. What's your favorite color? It depends on the child's level. They may say, my favorite color is orange, or it's orange. If they stall, like, doimi, moikai, what's moikai? That means 1 more time. You mean 1 more time? Okay, I will repeat it. What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? And that child should say a color. If they say, yes, I do, no, sorry. Okay, what's your favorite color? あなたの一番好きな色は何ですか? Red, orange, blue, green, yellow, pink. Okay, my favorite color is red. Okay, remember that. So you give this card back to them. So this card goes under their stack. Okay, next child. Give me 1 card. Good. Okay, this is an action. Stand up, look down, smile, turn around, sit down. Let's say that this child does all these actions correctly. Good job! And then I take this card and I put it in my stack. So this child has 6 cards now. Okay, give me 1 card. Ooh, this might be a little difficult for some of the students. Okay, blink your eyes 3 times. Blink your eyes 3 times. Yes, eyes, but blink. This child does not know the word blink. So if you're able to tell them in Japanese or demonstrate the word blink. Okay, look at me, look at my eyes. This is blink. Ibachi bachi. Ah, yes. Okay, 3 回, 3 times. Okay, so that child blinked 3 times. I'm sorry you didn't get it right this time. So, okay, remember this card next time. Put this under their stack. Okay, give me 1 card. Now, let's say they're not actual friends. Give this card to Tomo. So let's say this child is Tomo. Give this card to Tomo. Okay, do you remember the word give? Give. They should know the word give. So let's say that this child does this and does this. Good job! And Tomo might freak out. Hey, why am I getting another card? No. He's doing it right. He's following directions. Good job. So I take this card and now he has 6. Okay, so it just keeps going like this until one person finishes their stack first. All right, so that's how to play this game. Now I'm going to read the questions on these cards, but I'm not going to show you the cards because it's copyrighted. Ask your teacher a "do you like" question. When is your teacher's birthday? Can you cook? What color are carrots? Smile. Say 2 drinks. Say a word ending with E. Do you like strawberries? Shake hands with your teacher and say, "Nice to meet you." Say hello to everyone. Stand up, turn around, sit down. This one's a little tough. Give the peace sign to your teacher. Raise your hand and say, "I love homework." Give the high five sign to your teacher. What do you want to be when you grow up? When's your English teacher's birthday? +2. So when a child has +2, the teacher gives 2 extra cards to that child. So that increases their stack. What day is today? Open the window and close it. This one's a tough one. Rub your stomach and say, "I'm hungry." Wink at the person next to you. Okay, so I've read some of the cards, but not all of them. But I highly recommend getting this. It's interactive. I think the students will enjoy it, not in the very beginning, and of course it depends on their level of English. This reinforces what they've learned, what they already know, and it's fun. You can reward them with a candy or a sticker or a high five. It's up to you. I usually give a candy to the winner. Anyway, guys, that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up and like and subscribe to my channel. Bye, guys.